Today let's talk about myocardial infarction drives strained immunity of monocytes, accelerating atherosclerosis. Survivors of acute coronary syndromes face an elevated risk of recurrent atherosclerosis-related vascular events despite advanced medical treatments. The underlying causes remain unclear. This study aims to investigate whether myocardial infarction-induced strained immunity in monocytes could sustain prothrogenic traits and expedite atherosclerosis. Coming to the methods, apolipoprotein E deficient mice and adoptive bone marrow transfer chimeric mice underwent myocardial infarction or myocardial ischemia reperfusion. A subsequent 12-week high-fat diet regimen was implemented to elucidate the mechanism behind monocyte-trained immunity. In addition, classical monocytes were analyzed by flow cytometry in the blood of enrolled patients. Coming to the results, in myocardial infarction and ischemia reperfusion mice, blood monocytes and bone marrow derived macrophages exhibited elevated spleen tyrosine kinase, lysine methyltransferase 5A and CCHC-type zinc finger nucleic acid binding protein expression upon exposure to HFD or oxidized LDL stimulation. Myocardial infarction-induced strained immunity was transmissible by transplantation of bone marrow to accelerate atherosclerosis in naive recipients. KMT5, a specifically recruited monomethylation of LYS20 of histone H4 to the gene body of SYK and synergistically transactivated SYK with CNBP. In vivo small interfering RNA inhibition of KMT5A or CNBP potentially slowed post-myocardial infarction atherosclerosis. Sympathetic denervation with 6-hydroxydopamine reduced atherosclerosis and inflammation after myocardial infarction. Classical monocytes from ST segment elevation myocardial infarction patients with advanced coronary lesions expressed higher SYK and KMT5A gene levels. In conclusions, the findings underscore the crucial role of monocyte-trained immunity in accelerated atherosclerosis after myocardial infarction, implying that spleen tyrosine kinase in blood classical monocytes may serve as a predictive factor for the progression of atherosclerosis in ST segment elevation myocardial infarction patients.